So excited. Beyond excited. It's Saturday, and I was expecting a package on Monday that I actually got a day early, so there it is. Oh, I'm so excited. Check it out. I need a knife. I need a knife. Wrong side. Yes, there it is. Wrong side. Don't want to give too much of it away. And then this. Oh, I've been dying for this. Man, that is heavy. Damn, it's really in there. The record. Oh wow, that's really heavy. Holy crap. Let's get it out of the bag. The number one thing I'm going to do right now is get this shift boot on there, or shift boot, listen to me, shift knob on there, because this thing is just amazing, and I gotta get in the car right now, so we'll drop this in, check it out, see how it feels, and I'll let you guys know. Alright, so it's pretty freaking cold out, so I've got the door shut. I'm probably gonna have to run to the garage and grab some tools. But I wanted to show you the original shift knob that's already on the car, and I can tell that it's really got no weight to it. There's the original. And now I'm gonna take this one off, which is pretty simple. Just grab it and twist it off. Okay, so yeah, you can see I got a bunch of gunk on there. But the original one, not too bad. But man, the difference between the two is night and day. This got so much weight to it. Alright, let's get this on. Okay, we're back in action. I got the tools that I need and I understand what I gotta do now. So, let's get this. Locked in there already. Alright. And set this screw. Go. And last but not least, oh yeah, oh, still got reverse. Wow. Oh. That thing is sexy. Alright, so it's been about a week and a half since I've put the shift knob on the car, and just to give you a quick update, it's probably my favorite new piece in the car. Not that I have a whole lot on the car to begin with, but it's certainly the most enjoyable. I've already got the Boomba short shifter on the car, along with the parent shift stop and the parent short shifter adapter. And the short shifter adapter, the parent one, doesn't have any weight to it, where I would suggest you probably get the Boomba short shifter plate, because that short shifter plate does the same thing. I'm getting off topic here, but it does the same thing as the parent short shifter adapter, but it's weighted. That weight helps get into gear between throws, and before I put this on, I was missing gear a couple times. It was really annoying. Now that I've got this in the car, and it's 3 times the weight of the stock shift knob, it's so much easier to get into gear. Not to mention, it looks so nice. I can't help but stare at it while I'm driving. It's dangerous, actually. So I highly suggest this shift knob. Not to mention my other favorite part about this is that on hot or cold days, whether it's super hot or super cold, I can't quite say anything about super hot, but I know when it's super cold out, I get in the car, this thing isn't like grabbing an ice cube, and I don't think that it necessarily is going to be like grabbing fire when you first get in the car on a hot day. Something about it is just controlled, and it's very nice. Nice that it doesn't heat up and cool down to the point where you can barely touch it. So overall, great product. Super excited about it. Love the look. The color's just so nice. They've got an assortment of colors to begin with, so if red's not your favorite color, I'm sure they can accommodate, and the quality is unquestionable. Absolutely unquestionable. Very much so worth the money. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Very easy to install. Yeah, if you have any comments or questions about it, leave them in the comment section below. If you guys enjoyed the video, give me that thumbs up, and stay tuned. I got a lot of other parts that I got to get ready to put in the car soon anyway. I'm just kind of waiting. We've had some crappy weather, so waiting on the weather to warm up and make it a little more tolerable to be outside and do those. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time.